Hi besties, good morning, good afternoon and good evening, wherever you're watching me from. Okay, so let's make our New Year dish. Alright, so I'm going to make fried rice here. I'm using the coconut milk, which is coconut fried rice. I have other things I'm doing, so happy New Year to you all. Thank God we all made it to 2026. God bless you, okay? Keep watching. So this is it. Look how beautiful it is. So I'm going to allow it to cook before I prep the vegetables. Alright, so I want to make the veggies. I'm adding a little bit of olive oil. Alright, so I'm adding shallots, onion. I'm adding a little bit of ginger and garlic. I'm adding rosemary, just a little bit. Chicken seasoning, just a little bit. Curry. So I'm going to stir them together, mix them together. Alright, so I'm going to add one seasoning cube. Remember, we've already seasoned the rice. So a little bit of salt, just a little bit. So I'm going to mix them together. Let's see how the coconut rice is doing. Alright, fine. Alright, so the veggies are ready. This is the shrimp I'm using. Very juicy shrimp. The chicken almost got burnt, but I'm going to wrap it with foil and put it back in the oven for maybe 10 minutes. Then it's ready. All the veggies are ready. So the coconut rice is ready. So I'm going to add the veggies inside and the prawn. Then I'll keep that aside and I'll start the jollof rice. The aroma in my kitchen is out of this world. So I'm going to add the shrimp now. This is what they call goodness. Eat and sleep and think of 2026 very well. Okay, so our coconut fried rice is ready. So I'm going to keep that aside, and I'll set the jollof rice pot. Okay, so if you're still there with me, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. The jollof rice pots will be on different video. Okay, I'm trying to give you guys quick one. This is 2026, just quick. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not. God bless you. Happy New Year. Welcome to 2026. Bye bye. See you on my next video. Enjoy yourself. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.